There is a horizon out there, not made of land or sea, but of time itself. A boundary where light, born from the dawn of creation, has traveled for nearly 14 billion years to reach us, and can go no farther. We call it the observable universe, but the word observable hides a deeper truth. It is not the edge of reality, only the edge of our sight. Every galaxy, every star, every atom we've ever known exists within this cosmic bubble. Its radius, 46 billion light-years, stretches our imagination beyond measure. Yet even as we measure it, we know that beyond it, space continues. When we look far enough into the night sky, we are looking back in time, toward the birth of everything. The most distant light we've ever seen, the cosmic microwave background, is the afterglow of the Big Bang itself. It is faint, ancient, and everywhere. A soft whisper from when the universe was only 380,000 years old. That light tells a story, one of expansion, creation, and quiet persistence, but even it cannot tell us what came before, or what lies beyond, because beyond that horizon, light has not had enough time to reach us. Beyond that point, the universe is hidden in silence. Still, scientists believe it's there, vast, untouched, continuing endlessly. Our instruments can't see it, but our equations suggest it must exist. The universe, they say, is not just expanding, it's accelerating, driven by a mysterious force we call dark energy. It stretches space faster than light can cross it. So what lies beyond the observable edge? Perhaps more galaxies, more light, more matter, or perhaps something entirely different, something that breaks the very rules of physics we know, because at that distance, space itself behaves like a dream. Time slows, distances warp, and the light that began its journey long before Earth even existed is still fighting its way through expanding nothingness, trying to reach us. That light may never arrive, and yet, we wait, watching, wondering, hoping to glimpse the infinite. What if the universe doesn't end, not with an edge, but with a continuation? What if beyond the horizon lies not darkness, but more light we'll never see? Physicists call this idea the multiverse. Imagine endless universes, each with its own laws, its own physics, maybe even its own forms of life, some like ours, some unrecognizably strange. And if the theory of cosmic inflation is true, that the universe expanded faster than light in its first instant, then those universes might exist, separated forever by distances that no traveler could cross. But maybe some traces remain, tiny irregularities in the cosmic microwave background, faint ripples in the afterglow. Could be the scars of other universes brushing against ours in the beginning. If true, it would mean our cosmos is not alone, but part of a grand cosmic archipelago, islands of reality floating in an endless sea of existence. Even within our own universe, there are regions forever hidden, galaxies so far away that their light will never reach us. No matter how long we wait, they exist, but not for us. In time, even nearby galaxies will slip away, carried faster and faster by cosmic expansion, until only our local cluster remains visible. Someday, distant civilizations may look up and see nothing beyond their own galaxy, believing that's all there ever was. The universe, infinite yet lonely, hiding its own vastness, and yet, there's beauty in that limit, because every time we reach the edge of what we can see, humanity pushes further, not with rockets or ships, but with imagination. We build theories that stretch beyond horizons. We ask questions no other creature dares to ask. What if space goes on forever? What if there is no center, no edge, no end? And what if, beyond the farthest star, the universe curves back upon itself? An endless loop of creation and wonder. In that silence beyond the horizon, perhaps the universe is whispering its most profound truth, that infinity isn't something out there, it's within the questions we ask, and the courage to keep asking them. So when you look up at the stars tonight, remember, you're not just seeing light from distant galaxies. You're seeing the boundary of the known, and beyond it, the endless. Because somewhere past that faint cosmic glow, eternity begins. And if you've ever wondered what lies beyond, Stay with us here on Beyond Universe Show, where every horizon we cross only reveals another waiting in the dark.